Dear students, hello. In this funny Sunday, I would like to introduce you to Unit 2, second part. It's such a guide for you in order to know what would you expect in this second part. So let me show you the screen, the screen of the platform. So there you have our platform, our classroom, and let me put on the glasses. And so there you have Unit 2, first part, which is in the past, and now second part. In this second part, you will find a matching activity, a PDF for matching activity, which is this one. Let's see. Matching activity related to the ICCPR Article 14. So some paragraphs, and you have to say, well, you have some headings there, presumption of innocence, non-bis in idem principle, procedure for juvenile persons, fair trial rules, guarantees in case of being indicted of any crime, fair labeling principle, compensation due to miscarriage of justice, right to appeal. So those are the headings, and you have to read Article 14 and say, well, each paragraph to which heading it belongs. That's one of the activities. You have to download the PDF, and that's it. And then after that, you have to upload the result in one, let's see, this part, where it says una calificaciones. There you will find one activity to upload your result. There you have to upload your result, calificaciones. I cannot see how you can see the platform, but I think in that part you should upload the result. If not, you can send the result by email, by the official email, mail interno, from the platform. Yes, so there's a deadline for that, which is, I think, is the 31st of July. Okay, so that's our first part. Let's see. So it's Unit 2, second part, Legal English for ICCPR. There you have two sites, criminal law procedures, with lots of material related to criminal law, the presentation of the subject, vocabulary, a chart with useful and full of colors, like I like them, and some exercises. Those are for you to practice. Remember that after later on, you have to produce a final work. So those all of this material are useful in order to work on the idea of our final work. So criminal law and criminal procedure, the digestible notes, all related to criminal law. I remember Gabriela and Aldo, who told me in class that they work on criminal law. So this material, for instance, the legality principle, responsibility principle, minimal criminalization principle, the proportionality principle, fair labeling principle, all of this are related to criminal law. Perhaps you can instill ideas from that for your final work. So that's the second unit, second part, and the related to ICCPR. And then second unit, second part, but there's a mandatory quiz. In fact, you can do the quiz as many times as you want, and I think that I have wrote the minimum of 60% in order to pass the quiz. But it's useful for you in order to try a quiz, because later on we are going to offer you and ask you to pass another quiz with 70% of the percentage. So let's try this mandatory quiz, and the deadline for this is up to the 24th of September. So you can study the material and do the mandatory quiz up to September. So apart from that, take into account, it says un archivo. The ICSER, it's useful for the quiz. And on the other hand, you have there, it says dos calificaciones. In fact, it's because there you have a mandatory quiz and then the qualification for the mandatory quiz, but it's only one. But you can do it up to 10 times. I think that to the 10th time, you're going to know the result by heart. Okay, so those are the activities for this week. I hope you will enjoy. In case you are able to attend the lesson with Mauricio, who is a genius in legal English and a genius in English in general and in linguistics. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much.